hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
Not all roofs are alike. Here at Roof Right, we pride ourselves on offering a wide variety of roofing products, but our most installed roofing product is asphalt shingles. Due to their affordability and effectiveness in various climates, asphalt shingles account for about 75% of all residential roofs in the U.S. The lifespan of an asphalt shingle is anywhere between 15 to 50 years. The second most popular and more energy-efficient roofing material that we install is metal. Metal is a more durable, lower maintenance option with a typical lifespan of 40 to 70 years. Metal roofs reflect solar heat, which can lower cooling costs by up to 25%. It's also highly resistant to fire, high winds, and hail. Slate and cedar roofs are also available. These materials are used in specific areas and applications and are much less affordable than asphalt and metal. Learn more by visiting roofright.com. With 5 seconds left, that's all I got.